What are the challenges for battery backup units for servers, and how does your solution meet these requirements?
So, as you know, with AI, the energy consumption is increasing a lot because we have to process much more complex algorithms. And one challenge that Infineon is facing now is power management. So how to address this power management challenge? So we are addressing it with efficient semiconductor solutions based on silicon, GaN, and silicon carbide. We are addressing it also by providing DC-DC converter topologies which are capable of meet the space requirements inside these battery backup units because as the power is increasing, the space inside these modules is decreasing, and therefore we need to address this with really high power dense topologies. So today I just presented how this can be addressed by Infineon patented topologies.